In this video, I'm going to share with you quickly how to add tracking numbers inside of Facebook if you're using Facebook Marketplace for dropshipping, and then also what you should do if you are getting tracking numbers from suppliers where the tracking number is not recognized by Facebook. I'm going to show you a tool that I'm currently using to get around that, and it will be definitely helpful for you so that way you can leverage it and you can also get paid out sooner. So let's go ahead and let's dive into the video. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into your Facebook Marketplace. So when you go to Facebook, make sure you just click on the store icon. It's going to bring you here to Marketplace. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to click on your account, and then you need to click on shipping orders. So now we're looking at the shipping orders. So now when you have gone and purchased the product from one of your suppliers, the next thing you need to do is you need to insert that tracking information inside of Facebook. The reason why you need to do this is because this is how you're going to initiate payout from Facebook, and you have up to 5 days now. I think Facebook is still showing that you need 3 days, but when I talk to Facebook support, they have increased it up to 5 days that you need to insert your tracking information inside of Facebook, so that way you can start tracking they can start tracking the item. And then also, again, this is how you initiate payout. So you want to go ahead and find the order that you want to insert the tracking information in for. Now, once you have the order pulled up, right in the center part, you're going to see a button that's going to say marked as shipped. It's going to be a blue button. And what you're going to do is you want to go ahead and click on that button, and it's going to trigger for you to enter the tracking information for this particular item. Now, currently with Facebook, they're only recognizing tracking numbers from the United States Postal Service, FedEx, and UPS. Now, this is where you're going to insert that information, and you're going to click Save. Now, once you have inserted that tracking information, it will start to work on the process to initiate your payout. Now, if you by chance enter the wrong tracking information, you do have up to about 3 days. From what I hear from Facebook, you have about 3 days to edit that tracking information. And all you need to do is just pull up the order, scroll down to halfway on the page. You're going to see right here where it says edit tracking information, and this is where you're going to insert that information. After a few days, you will no longer have this option to edit tracking information. And what Facebook said they will do is that even if you insert the wrong tracking number in there, you will still get paid out. Now, you will not get paid out in 5 days after the order has been confirmed. You might have to wait up to 20 days to get that actual payout if you insert the wrong tracking information for that particular item. But you do need to make sure that you're inserting tracking numbers. So the next thing that I want to cover is what you should use if you are getting TBA tracking numbers from Amazon, or you're getting laser ship tracking numbers, and you're getting OnTrac tracking numbers from eBay and things like that. What you need to do in this case, you need to use a tool called OAGenius. Now with OAGenius, you can leverage this tool in order to create tracking numbers that you can insert inside of Facebook. So again, it will start to initiate the payout process. Now we're looking at the website for OAGenius, and I'm going to include a link for this website in the description box below. And you can purchase a package of tracking numbers that you can actually generate in order to insert into Facebook that's going to help you to initiate the payout process. And this is going to work well for you if you're not getting tracking numbers that are usable inside of Facebook Marketplace, and then also if you're just dealing with suppliers who are kind of slow with tracking numbers. I know even though I source from Walmart a few times, sometimes it may take up to 3 days before they actually send me a tracking number, sometimes 4. So you can come over here, you can grab a tracking number to insert in there. So what you can do is you can scroll down the page a little bit, and you can actually see the different packages that they offer. And depending on how your business is flowing right now, if you're getting a lot of sales, you may want to start looking at these higher packages. But if you're just getting started, you can definitely just start with the $25 package and get 100 numbers. Now that you have actually purchased one of your packages, all you would need to do is you can enter the city that's optional here. So let's say I just go ahead and put in Miami, and then I need to go ahead and put in the state, and then I need to enter a range. So what you want to do here is that when Amazon gives you a tracking number or eBay gives you a tracking number, you want to click on that tracking number and actually see when their estimated delivery time is. So then that will give you a good idea of the date range that you need to choose in order to get your tracking number. So let's say like mine's is coming on, let's say on the 28th, okay? So I can choose the 28th or I can choose the 29th, it doesn't matter. I will choose the 28th, and I just want to give it some type of a range. So I can choose the 31st, and then I can click Get Tracking Number. Now when I click this, if it comes up with the error saying that no tracking numbers are found, all you would need to do is you'll either need to change the date range that you choose. Maybe you want to choose a longer date range. You don't want to use something that's really constrict. Or you may even need to, remove the actual city name and just go by the state in order for you to get a tracking number. So if I go ahead and just click on Get a Tracking Number, now you see I have a tracking number that I can insert inside of Facebook in order to initiate the payout process. And for this, when you get this tracking number, you do want to use the FedEx option inside of Facebook Marketplace. When you go to add the tracking numbers, choose FedEx, insert this number, and click Save. And this is how you're going to get around those tracking numbers that Facebook doesn't recognize, and then also when just suppliers are just being a little bit delayed by giving you a tracking number, you can go ahead and insert one of these numbers in, and again, it starts off the process, so that way your item is being shown that it's being delivered, and then you get paid out sooner with Facebook. So in this video, I shared with you really quickly how to add tracking numbers inside of Facebook Marketplace, especially if you're using it for the drop shipping option, and then also a tool that I am currently using that's going to help you to insert your tracking information for those tracking numbers that are not recognized by Facebook, or just tracking numbers that just come a little bit delayed from your supplier. Now, if you have any questions about anything that I covered, in the description box below, I'm going to include a link to a guide that I have on my blog that's going to go with you step by step on how to get started with Facebook Marketplace, and additional resources and videos that's going to help you with this. And then also I have videos on this channel that's going to share with you how to get started with Facebook Marketplace dropshipping, and also how to do product research. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a comment below. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video.